morning everyone. I am Khushi Sharma from class 10th. Today I am going to give you a short presentation on the lesson The Midnight Visitor. Okay, now let's start with it. The lesson is written by a famous American writer, Robert Arthur, who was a specialist writer in writing thriller and mysterious stories. The theme of the lesson is based on the intelligence of a man Osable who uses his presence of mind in the time of trouble. The characters of the lessons are firstly Osable. Osable is a kind of lazy and fatty man. He was very lazy, but he was the most intelligent in the full lesson, and he uses his mind to get rid of his enemy Max. The next character in the lesson is Max. Max is the enemy of Osable. He wants to snatch the information about new missiles from Osable. And the third and last character is Fowler. Fowler is the friend of Osable and a writer who wants to write a book on the secret agent, and so he decides to spend an evening with Osable. So the main highlights of the story are: on one evening, Osable and Fowler decide to spend an evening together because Fowler wants to write a book on a secret agent, but he realizes soon that Osable is not a kind of his thinking of secret agent. Fowler thought that secret agents is like with dark circles in under their eyes like James Bond, but Osable is not like that. Osable is a fatty, lazy man, but he was very intelligent. So Osable tells Fowler that he would change his idea about him. Then they go to the Osable's house in the evening, and when they entered the room, a man named Max standing with his pistol to shoot Osable. He tells Osable that he would shoot him if he did not told him the information about the new missiles. Then they closed the door. After some time, the door knocked, and Max is become so furious, and he said to Osable that you might call the police, and if the police is coming inside the room, I will shoot you. So the Osable tells the Max that he should go outside the balcony, and the police is coming in a month to check his room, so he should not be afraid. And when Osable opened the door, there was a servant who take glasses and wine for him. Then he goes from there, and Osable closes the door, and Fowler asked him about Max, but Osable tells that Max will not come because there was no balcony outside the window, and he must be died. So the conclusion from the lesson, we get that we should use our mind slowly and did not hurry. Thank you.